the bowl. I open first. We open at the same time.
Okay, ready, go. These are both from Bubby and Papa.
Yeah. Okay.
Albert Einstein action figure. That's hilarious. I didn't know there was such a thing.
Show it off.
That's awesome. That's what I needed. Nikon card. Out there?
No, I got it.
What is this?
What is it?
Cool pants.
Yeah.
They're not your favorite color or anything, are they?
Yeah.
No, they look nice and warm.
Mom.
I see that, honey.
Mom's present.
Wait, there's presents for Mom?
Yeah.
What are they? Okay, well, let's see what you got.
Okay. I'll do one.
One? How many do you have?
Two.
Really?
So where are you going, Alex?